Education Society, redefining excellence.
So hello girls and guys and my respective sirs and teachers and myself Harsh Dave as the narrator of this project showing mobile generations.
Generation is a new generation of cellular standard has appeared approximately every 10 years since 1G system were introduced in 1981 to 1982. The first wireless network was commissioned in Germany in 1958. It was called a NETS and used along technology at 160 MHz. Since the introduction of first commercial mobile phone in 1983 by Motorola, mobile technology has come a long way. Technology, protocol, service, offer or speed. The changes in mobile telephony have been recorded as a generation of mobile communication.
History of mobile generation. History was created in April 1972 with first call made on a mobile phone. G referred to generation related to next generation wireless technology. Generation of these phone were known as 0G mobile phone in which different technologies were used link push to talk mobile telephone system improve mobile telephone system etc. Martin Cooper, an employee of Motorola company, is considered a key player as he developed the first mobile phone. Handsets were used in vehicle, but he same with the development of first truly portable mobile phone.
I am Pranay Raj. I will elaborate some points of 1G, that is first generation. 1G was started in 1974 and completed in 1984. Analog system was the first mobile wireless communication system used in 1G, and this system was based on an AMPS advanced, that is advanced mobile phone service technology. It provided voice transmission by using frequency around 900 MHz. Through 1G, a voice call gets modulated to a higher frequency of about 150 MHz. This is done in 1G using a technique FTM. Explain some points on 2G, that is second generation. It was started in 1980s and completed at 1990s with a speed of 64 kbps. In these two schema, that are time division multiple access, that is TDMA, and code division multiple access, were used globally. System for mobile communication, that is GSM, was the most popular wireless technology. GSM and TDMA was dominating 2G wireless technologies. CDMA technology was considered as clearer voice quality with less background noise and etc.
3G started in 1980s. Initial plan focused on multimedia applications such as video conferencing for mobile phones. The second key issue for 3G wireless is that users will want to roam worldwide and stay connected. A key goal of 3G is to make a roaming capacity universal. A third issue of 3G system is capacity. 3G use packet switching technology which is more effective and faster than the earlier circuit switch system. The purpose of 3G is to provide more coverage and evolution with the lowest investment. 4G. The objective of 3G was to develop a new protocol and new technologies to further enhance the mobile experience. The main objective of 4G networks can be stated in the following properties: ubiquity and multi-service platform, low bit cost. Ubiquity means that this is a new mobile networks must be available to the user anytime and anywhere. A significant feature of 4G technology are video conferencing, location-based services, telemedia, high security, speed, capacity, and low cost per bit. 5G. 5G technology is a fifth generation of wireless mobile network which was begun in late 2010. An end user can also connect their 5G mobile phones with the desktop to have internet connection. 5G communication technology merged all the enhanced benefits of mobile phones like dialing speed, MP3 recording, cloud storage, HD downloading in instant of second, and much more.
So here is the comparison from 1G to 5G. This chart depicts the features from 1G to 5G and the start development from 1970s to 2015. It also shows the technical development in this stream. Frequency is developed from 30 kHz to 30 GHz, bandwidth from 2 kbps from 1 gbps and higher. Access network are FDMA, TDMA, CDMA, OFDM, BDMA, and core network nowadays are used are packet network and internet.
Future perspective of 5G technology. Mobile. 5G mobile phones have a bright future in the era of development and technology. Laptop. At present, each desktop or laptop has assigned an individual IP address to track the flow of data traffic, but in future, 5G mobile phone. Wi-Fi. 5G will use cloud computing mechanism in their mobile phones. The most effective and attractive feature of 5G will the advanced billing interface.
We hope that you liked our projects and thank you for watching. This project was done under the guidance of Alka Bansude ma'am.